Welcome to a live unboxing of the Xiaomi 14T Pro. Finally got the Xiaomi 14T Pro in, so let's see what Xiaomi are offering when it comes to their T Series Pro flagship phone. Let's go. Xiaomi. What goodies do we get? So it's nice that you get an included case, and you've got the USB-C to USB-A cable. It's a thick box, and you've got the instruction manuals and stuff, and also the SIM ejector tool. Put this down. Then comes the main Xiaomi 14T Pro. This is the Titan Grey color. And unfortunately, there is no charger in the box. I'd rather have a charger than a case, but that's just me. And this is what we have here. Remember, we are streaming this in 4K. You can see that this is Leica partnered, co-engineered with them. And it's powered by the Dimensity 9300 Plus, 144 Hz display, 120 watt wired charging, and 50 watt wireless hypercharge. Does look nice. And here we have it. Nice textured feel to the power button. Volume rockers above, which I would prefer it on the left side. USB-C. SIM ejector tool with two SIM card trays. Well, a single SIM card that supports 2 nano SIMs. IR blaster to control your TVs and stuff, which is great. Pre-applied plastic screen protector as well, which is really, really nice. And this is the Titan Grey color. All right, let's turn it on. And obviously, because it's plastic, the screen protector does catch some fingerprints there. So we'll do our best to mitigate it. Xiaomi Hyper OS. Setup is complete. Let's get in there and have a look at what we're seeing with the Xiaomi 14T Pro. Let's go into the settings. Let's dive straight into the display. Let's have a look at that. We're going to turn off adaptive brightness so we can control the display brightness. AI engine, eMMC, motion estimation, motion compensation, super resolution. Let's go back. Refresh rate, it's definitely set custom. Go all the way up to 144 Hertz, so we can see how that high refresh rate is like. It's a 1080p display, of course. We've got dark mode. We're going to keep it light mode because it's better for the camera. And let's go to About Phone. We can see what we have right there, 14T Pro. One terabyte of storage for this model that I've been given, which is great. Android 14, of course. And then we've got the info and details there. So we've got 12 gigabytes of RAM, Dimensity 9300 Plus, Android version. So yeah, this is what we have here. We went to the About Phone, as we've seen, Xiaomi 14T Pro. And then camera, we are pretty much working with a 50 megapixel main camera. You can obviously watermark it. HDR, so you've got an ultra wide, you've got 1, 2, 2.5x, 2.6x, and then you've got 5x, which is cropping on a 2.5. That's in a photo mode. Video. If we turn on HDR, then you can do 4K 60. So there's something to be aware. You can do 4K 60. You can't do 4K 60 on the ultra wide though. It's only on a 1x and a 2.5x that you can do 4K 60. Can't do it on the ultra wide. Ultra wide is limited to 30. And then when you enable HDR, HDR is only limited to 30 FPS as well. So just remember that. Video, if we go to the front facing camera, here we are. You can do 4K 30, 720p, 60, 720p 30, 1080p 60, 4K 30. So just be aware of that. You do have video portrait mode, and that video portrait mode is limited to 1080p 30. And you've got portrait mode, which is 23mm, 35, which is 1.5, 60, which is the 2.6x, and then slight crop on there, which is 3x at 75. So just something to be aware of. You've got your 50 megapixel mode as well. Short video, dual video. I always like dual video. Director's mode, so that's manual mode. Professional mode. Time-lapse panorama, night mode. High resolution 50 megapixels, which works on the 2.5x, 1x. And you've got the movie mode. And you've got the pro mode as well. So yeah, that's kind of like a quick roundup of the camera. Let's go into the settings. Auto night mode, motion capture, HEIF format, picture quality of course is on high, selfie settings mirror, Xiaomi Pro Cut apply smart cropping to improve composition of high resolution, adaptive telephoto, switch automatically between main and telephoto lenses based on distance and brightness. Yeah, you can disable that, which is good. Image stabilization on, auto frame rate, HDR10+, H.264, H.265, allow tagging of videos, settings that you can preserve. Shutter sound, pocket mode, anti-banding. So yeah, that's pretty much what we have. Let's do a Geekbench mark and I'll get into the comments and see what's up. Here we have it. 2081, 6000 for single core, 6088. Let's see if there is a performance mode on here. Let's go to current mode, high performance. Okay, it was a high performance mode. See if the scores are any different in the high performance mode. Yeah, so it looks like the high performance mode does boost the numbers a bit. So this is the high performance mode numbers. Single core goes up, multi-core goes up a little bit. See? That's without the performance mode, and you can see the difference there. So yeah, let's do a bit of Asphalt 9 graphic settings. You can see that you can actually enable the high quality, and it's at 60 FPS. Oh, takedowns. Love this game. Finish first. So yeah, there we have it. This is just an initial unboxing and impressions of the Xiaomi 14T Pro, and it's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good. Hope you've enjoyed this initial impressions and quick hands-on with this unboxing. We'll be doing more of it when we don't have full time to kind of do it, but I hope you are all well and safe, and have a good night. I'll catch you later.